so excited to be here today to introduce the newest, latest, and greatest to the products offering at Light Elegance, our BLINKTips. The reason that we call these BLINKTips is because you can get your service done in a blink. If you have a client who wants to wear the Blink system for an extended period of time or indefinitely, you can use the Lexy Line system to apply your tips and then do your fill every 2 weeks using the Lexy Line until your client has actually grown out of them and is a natural nail overlay. Using LE Pro Cleanser and LE Pro Cleansing Wipes, cleanse the natural nails thoroughly. LE Pro Cuticle Pusher. Push back the keratinized proximal nail fold with LE Pro Cuticle Pusher and remove cuticle tissue from the nail. .100 180 grit finish file. Prep the natural nails with a very light touch using a 100 grit finish file. Cleanse using LE Pro Cleanser and LE Pro Cleansing Wipes and remove all dust and debris from the nails. Pre-measure and make any adjustments to fit the BLINKTips to the natural nails. Tack. Apply tack sparingly to the natural nails, scrubbing it into the nail surface. The prep marks should still be visible. Cure 60 seconds in the LED dot curing lamp or 2 minutes in a UV lamp. Flip the BLINKTip over and apply tack sparingly in the area that will be in contact with the natural nail. Cure 60 seconds in the LED dot curing lamp or 2 minutes in a UV lamp. Lexy Line Clear Extreme Gel. Number 4, Oval Brush. Apply a thin, even coat of clear extreme gel to the nail. It is important you do not apply too much gel or risk overflowing on all sides as the BLINKTip is applied. Cap the free edge. Place the base of the blink tip near the cuticle area of the nail plate and gently rock it down onto the nail, allowing the clear extreme gel to slowly press forward toward the free edge of the natural nail. While holding the tip in place, flash cure using a FlashDot curing lamp for 10 seconds. Cure 60 seconds in the LED dot curing lamp or 2 minutes in a UV lamp. The blink tips are now ready for decoration. Have fun!